Everyone wants to know how the wealthy actually got there, but almost nobody wants to talk about what it actually cost them, financially, mentally, and personally, before the money showed up. You've seen the luxury cars, the dream vacations, and the seven-figure screenshots. Those moments get shared because they sell. But behind every one of them are years of sacrifice, failed attempts, negative cash flow, and risky decisions that could have ended very differently. That's the part nobody shows you, and that's the part that actually builds wealth. Here's the truth. The real cost of becoming rich isn't just money. It's having the discipline to keep investing when you could be spending. It's choosing long-term freedom over short-term comfort. It's staying focused while everyone else is chasing instant gratification. The people who build lasting wealth don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. They track where every dollar goes. They spend less than they earn. They invest the difference consistently, then let time and compound growth do the heavy lifting. Most people dream about the finish line. Successful people build routines that make reaching it inevitable. So ask yourself, are you building a system, or are you just chasing a number? Because wealth isn't built in the moment you make money. It's built in the years you refuse to waste it. If this changed the way you think about money, subscribe for more real financial insights.